Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Brazil, and today I'm going to be taking you guys through a back and arm workout. Now, you guys, I've been working out for a couple of weeks now, and I'm starting to see some really good results. Like, I am loving the way my upper body is looking, and I'm so excited. If you guys do enjoy this video, can you guys please help me out and give it a like? I really do appreciate all of you guys for being here. Now, let's get into this workout. Now, for each exercise, I did do 3 sets. And I basically did it until I couldn't do it anymore. So all of the numbers are going to be different, but I do strive to hit anywhere between 12 and 15 reps. Now, this exercise was a real arm burner. I love it. Now, ever since I started doing this exercise, I do it every time I work out my arms. I just love it so much. Now, the lat pull down exercise, I feel, is helping me with the results in my back. And I love it so much. Over the last couple of weeks, I've really worked on my form. I've worked on trying to figure out what's working and what's not. And in the beginning, I started increasing the weight until I realized that the more weight, the harder it was for me to really feel like it was actually working the right way. So I realized that I didn't need it to be heavy. I really did not. So I kept it at a lighter weight, and I really feel it in my back, and I love it. I really do. I love it. Now, this last exercise is going to be a tricep pull down, but with the straight bar. And out of all of the exercises that I did today, this is my favorite one to do. I absolutely love to feel the burn. I feel like my problem area is my triceps, and every time I go to the gym, I don't care what I do, I'm not missing doing the tricep pull downs. That is going to be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you would like to hit the subscription button down below, leave your thoughts down below. Let me know, what did you guys think about this arm workout? And until next time, bye.